Welcome back to Quarantine Times. I'm your host, Alessia Marie. Today, we are going to be moving to the kitchen to make golden syrup. Golden syrup? If you are wondering why I look like a pirate, it's because I do face paints. And if you want to see any of my other face paints, go follow me on Instagram at Alessia Calcagno. If you're not already following me, head over to Instagram, follow me, come back here and watch the rest of this video. Comment, like, subscribe, and let's get into my kitchen. Oh, that's hot! Oh! I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and stay safe and wash your hands. It's Captain Jack Sparrow.